start with Dell here. Hey guys, start with Dell here. We're here again to unbox some amazing stuff. This time from Gucci. Again, I want to thank everybody who has been streaming my new single, Naked Salsa. I didn't think that's gonna go as far as it's going right now, and I'm just really happy about it. And I have some goodies to share with you. Let's start with this one right here. It's a bigger box. Yes, and there's a card. Thank you, it says, from Gucci. Alright, so thank you Cam for shopping with us here at Gucci. It was a pleasure to assist with you. Enjoy your great. Alright, card. Let's box this bad boy. Look at this. You know what? Let's unbox the smaller box first. So how you guys doing? I am pretty much on cloud 9 right now. My song has been performing really well, and I am looking forward to performing it sooner than later in the summer. But let's start with this bad boy right here. Ready? This belt. Pretty sure about that. There you go. Fantastic. Yes. Alright. So silver buckle, double G, medium size. And this one is reversible. Black and brown. Yeah, I like it. The brown can be a little lighter. It's a little tad too dark for me, but silver buckle, and I guess you just have to do this to reverse it. Yeah, same concept. I guess that works. Alrighty. Great. So the price on this one, 570, 590 plus taxes. So worth it because it's reversible. So you know. Thank you. I'm very much excited for this. Let's see. Alrighty, look at that. Nice. Alright. Alright. I'm super excited with this one. You're stronger than you know it, let's face it. What matters is how you claim it. You're the only one who can make me salsa. Wow. You like it. Let's see the size. Perfect. And I had to wait for this because they didn't have my size initially. This is just really nice. This is a classic monogram Arpedia blue. It's in blue. Beautiful. Alright, let's try it on. Perfect. This is fantastic. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing episode. I hope you guys are having a great time. And keep streaming my new song, Naked Salsa. I have a bunch of new songs coming out. Thank you.
Shake it, baby, you want it higher, higher. Move it, baby, your booty's fire, fire. Get on.